Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jahshii escapes brazen gun attack this morning. Reports are that a convoy transporting the dancehall artist and his entourage from a birthday event at a location on Constant Spring Road was attacked in a bold move Friday morning. Senior Superintendent of Police, Head of the Communications Unit, Stephanie Lindsay, said the investigators are currently asking for information to further assist in the probe.
In discussion with the commanding officer, it was reported that sometime about 4:15 a.m., Jahshii, along with some other persons, were traveling in a pickup. When they were exiting the marketplace plaza onto Constant Spring Road, we understand a group of motorcyclists, approximately 6, rode up and fired shots at the vehicle. At the end of the shooting, 6 persons were found with gunshot wounds and taken to hospital where they were treated. Based on the feedback, their injuries are not considered life-threatening. We understand that Jahshii was not among the injured in the incident. So the investigators are now trying to ascertain what is the motive behind the shooting and who are the individuals who are connected to it. So far, they are processing the scene, getting as much information as possible to see how best whatever they have can assist them in furthering the investigation. So it continues. If there are persons with any information that can assist the investigators, we'll ask them to make contact with the CIB department at Halfway Tree Police Station. The number at the police station that they could call is 926-8184. That's 876-926-8184.
In June, Jahshii was questioned by police in relation to a shooting death of a businessman in Grantspen. Still on Jahshii, the artist on Thursday released the track False Alarm. Now that song, which starts with a news clip in relation to the recent incident, sees Jahshii pushing the narrative that reports of wrongdoing by him in the media are simply not true.
Them cut me already, the first cut of the deepest. I rather them than me, I rather them than I rather them than this a youth, yeah. Mr. Newsman, move. Get your facts right and not bring your news wrong. Nobody try ramp with this in your future.
Late last month, Jahshii's parents took to social media to dispel rumors surrounding their or their son's involvement in the shooting incident. That's it for your weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Please be safe.